wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, and in this video we are going to get into the full process of exactly how I colored my hair red. I get a question almost every single day on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so right over there, asking me what products do I use, how did I color my hair red, how did it get so vibrant, blah 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 blah. I'm gonna cover all of that in this video and show you the products that I use, so let's get it. But before we do, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then turn on your notifications so that you get a little buzz every time that I upload a video, which is weekly. That's why you need to be subscribed. Okay, let me put my sleeves up, it's a little hot. The process of actually coloring my hair is quite simple. I use 4 products. Now these products are going to slightly differ depending on the beginning state of your hair. For example, my hair was originally blonde, then I went to pink, and now I'm red. Let's say you're starting off with dark hair, such as black hair or dark brown hair. One product that you use is going to be ever so slightly different. If your base is already light, for example, if your hair is already blonde, then you're going to use the same 4 products as me. But if it's not, slight difference, and you'll actually need less product. The 4 products that you are going to need is a 30 volume developer, a 10 volume developer, L'Oreal High Color in Magenta, and L'Oreal High Color in Red. Those are the products that I use. Magenta was used on my roots with the 30 volume developer, and then red was used on the rest of my hair with a 10 volume developer. Stop. Let's just pause for a second because this was information that I had to personally learn myself. 10 volume developer only deposits color, which means it's just going to spread the color over your head. Anything higher than 10, so 20, 30, 40, 50, however high they go, that is actually going to lighten your hair. Hope that makes sense, but if not, I'm going to leave it in the description bar below. So if your hair is dark, if you're starting off with dark hair, you're only going to use 30 volume developer. But since I started off with blonde hair, technically I use 10 volume developer because you don't want to lighten hair that's already been lightened. Y'all with me? Hopefully. My hairstylist Prince Shell walked me through all of this, so that's how I kind of got this information. 10 volume deposits color, so I used it on the brightest area of my hair because it was already light. The 30 volume I only use on the roots mixed with the magenta because I needed to actually lighten that hair. The roots of my hair are dark. They've never been bleached. Now when it came to the fun part of actually mixing the products together, I'm going to show you how I do my root, and it's the same process with the rest of my hair. So I basically just kind of eyeball the measurements. I'll pour in some of the color, and then I'll pour in way more developer, stir it up, and look at the consistency. I have to stir mine for a while. For whatever reason, this particular color, it takes a while to really mix, and then I kind of gauge what I need to add more of. But I do make sure that the consistency is creamy. It's not super thick, but it shouldn't be runny either. For me personally, it's easier to work in sections, so I'll go ahead and I'll part my hair into 4 sections and then begin to apply the products on my root. Keep in mind, the warmest part of your hair is going to develop the fastest. As you apply the product, don't start at the very top of your root. Start a little bit further because you don't want your roots to end up being super light in comparison to the rest of your head. It's almost like a gradient transition from dark to light. So you kind of want to start in the middle, right between the dark and the light. We need like a diagram with like arrows. Don't want to start directly at the scalp because that part is going to lighten faster due to the heat of your head just naturally. After you finish that whole section, then go in and touch right at the root. I did not let this sit on my hair for any more than 30 minutes. I would not recommend letting it sit for any more than 30 minutes because you're not using bleach. If you need to go back and actually kind of fix the color or do it again, you can wait a week and definitely reapply using the same process. Ooh, child, I thought explaining this was gonna be easy. It is not. If you definitely want to speed up the process, hand sit under the dryer. The warmer that it is, the faster that your hair is going to process. Please check the description bar because I'm going to explain this again down below. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any additional questions, drop them in the comments below. I love you guys. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for weekly uploads, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.